Welcome to our step-by-step guide to cleaning MMA gloves. Proper cleaning keeps your gloves fresh, durable, and free from bacteria. We'll show you an easy method to clean your gloves effectively using items you likely already have at home. Prepare a simple cleaning solution by mixing liquid soap with water. Stir gently to create bubbles. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away dirt and dust from the surface of the gloves. Dip the soft bristle brush into the soapy solution, ensuring the bristles are fully coated. Scrub the gloves gently, paying extra attention to areas with heavy use like the palm and fingers. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe away the soap residue, ensuring no moisture is left behind. Place the gloves on a drying rack in a well-ventilated space to air dry naturally. Apply a leather conditioner to keep the gloves flexible and extend their lifespan. Store your gloves in a breathable bag to prevent odor buildup. Your gloves are now clean and ready for action. Regular cleaning keeps them fresh, odor-free, and long-lasting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.